In this quick video, I am going to show you how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 19 free version. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Adding subtitles is real easy. For that, hover over your video track, right click on it and then click on add subtitle track. Now open your inspector and select your subtitle track, and then you will see these options on your inspector. Click on create caption and now you can type anything on your subtitle. Suppose I want to type here subscribe, I can simply type it here. Then go to track to customize your caption. You can change the font from here, you can increase the size, you can change the color from here. And now if you want to change the position of your caption, then scroll down here and in the transform section you can change the position of your caption. Now suppose you want to add another caption, then for that go to caption and now get your playhead at the position where you want to add your second caption. If I want to add here, then I can select my playhead at this point and then tap on add new, and you can add your second caption here. You can name it anything, so I just want to name it in this, and then after that your second caption will be added and you can repeat the process, tap on add new and your subtitles will be added on your timeline. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.